Hi guys, this is Parisheh and I'm at Mashion Studios. This is gonna be the Tropical Sunshine Smoothie and you're gonna feel like you're on vacation this summer, even though you're stuck at home watching this video right now. All right, so let's get started. You're gonna grab your blender. Again, you're gonna start with your wet ingredients. What I love about this smoothie is that it has lots of vitamin C. You're getting that from your lemon juice and from all the ingredients here. You're gonna have pineapple, frozen spinach, some frozen strawberries, some frozen bananas. These all together is gonna give you a really nice creamy texture. And of course you have your almond milk. It's gonna be kind of like a pina colada. You're by the beach. It's what we all want right now. All right, so let's start with our milk. This is almond milk. You can use whatever milk you want, any local milk available to you. You're gonna use at least 1 cup. I'm just gonna eyeball it. All right, so then let's grab our lemon juice. This is about 1 to 2 lemons. Then you're gonna add your spinach. This is frozen spinach. And with spinach, you can't really actually taste the spinach, so you can add however much you want. Alrighty, then we're gonna add our frozen pineapple. This is around 1 cup. Alrighty. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. Then your second last ingredient is obviously your bananas. Bananas are great. This is gonna keep you full for hours. All right, last ingredient is your ice. Let's hopefully fill it to the top as we go. All right, you're gonna seal that very tight. Okay, let's blend. Looks good. Smells great. All right, let's start pouring. See, that's the kind of texture you want. Very smooth and creamy. All right, guys, this is your Tropical Sunshine Smoothie. You're gonna feel like you're on a vacation far, far away. Try this at home. Super easy, super simple ingredients. Very good for the gut. You're gonna be happy and satisfied the whole day. Try it at home. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mashion. Have a great day.